The motor sounds so cool ever since this new update. We're about to go test out this new KO update, the November 24th one. All right, guys, we are back again at our favorite trails. As always, like I said, I got that new tune, the newest one, the 1124 tune. They did change a few things. We're about to test it out. And I brought my Android that we can play around with the tune right now and see what we find out. You know what I mean? Also, shout out to Ian from KO Moto that reached out to me and asked to help me with the tune. So I'm going to test this out and see how it goes. I already reached out to him, and we'll see what we come up with. Maybe we get a custom tune going for this beautiful Surron, and hopefully for my buddy Surron as well. So stay tuned. We're gonna hit the trail right now and see what we find out. All right, so we're still okay, but let's see. We'll take the same route we've been taking. That we'll see how this trail acts. But yeah, so far we got rid of that. This is definitely more racy. I see that for sure. Definitely more racy of a tune. Before I was spinning tires right on very low, at low band, low RPM, you know, the low end was crazy, and I saw that they tweaked some of the numbers. Woo, woo, woo. Let's go. Awesome news. Woo! You ready? Here we go. That was super fun. Super fun right now on this part of the trail. All right, I got the GoPro in the back. We're back on that 2 GoPro setup, and got some cool shots of my friend behind. That'll be interesting. All right, beautiful day today. Look at it, looking beautiful out. Yeah, same thing, just eating it up. Eating up this uphill like no other. Beautiful. No gargling sound. I'm just following this line right here. Whoever rode here before, shout out to you for giving me a compact line. Yeah, so far those low RPM range, they kind of tweaked it down a bit, which you know what, on linear throttle I think that's fine. I like it on linear. That's maybe how it should be. We're gonna go ahead and try sport in a little bit, because like I said, I'm still running 120 amps and 420 phase amps. All right, so this is one test right here. Yeah, nice. That low torque, low start from on an uphill. No issues. And my buddy right there is running right now at 80 amps, guys, because he's still running the stock battery, not bypass. But yeah, look at it, still performing well, doing his thing at 80 amps. And I think I got him at 400 phase amps for right now, until he gets his Shy battery. And Shy battery, what's up, guys? I'm literally one of the only YouTubers who actually pronounces your name right. Throw me a little discount code for my customers. Hook it up with a Volted discount code. I love you guys. All right, the famous uphill. Let's see what happens. Brand new 11. Oop, I gotta take this way. Opa. Ooh, lost my rear there for a second. Ah. Oh yeah. No problem. Just ate it up, man. So beautiful. All right.
Ready?
Yeah, yeah. All right. So, second test was a success so far. And to be honest with you, this throttle situation is kind of growing on me. I'm getting used to it. I like it. Woo woo. So yeah, I don't know, it's growing on me. It's got decent starting low end, and then it kicks in, you know, when you need it. It's like very racy, you know, where the other one of the guys on the Discord mentioned, I forgot his name, but the tune prior to 1124 felt very jerky. All right, what are we doing here? Some tests?
Yeah, this is the road.
What's up?
This is the road.
All right, so let's run some tests. So we got 120 amps and 420 phase amps. My battery can do a little bit more. I just went down. I tuned it down for range sake, but see what we can do here. It will go more, obviously, but running out of room over here. That's pretty nice. That's with the new tune. It does take a little longer to get there. Brakes are good. So now what I want to do is actually pull out my phone. All right, so we got the KO controller app. Turn the bike on. Yes, confirm. So now I want to go here. I hope you guys can see well. So we're 120, 420, and I wanted to adjust I think it's advanced setting. Yeah, so linear. Let's go to motion, which on the app it says motion, but on the computer it says sport. Hit save, confirm. We got the okay from the bike. Let's test that real quick. All right. Oh yeah, big difference. Ooh, big difference. Sport is crazy right now. Oh yeah, look at this thing, man. This is sport mode. .48 I see right there. Ooh, definitely insane throttle response. So yeah, that was pretty crazy. Still learning, just a little bit, you know what I mean? Let's see if I can do a little wheelie without falling. Woo! That was cool. Sport mode is insane, guys. Sport mode is definitely a lot of fun. And again, shout out to Ian that reached out. Hopefully we can get together and make a custom little tune for this thing. Pretty beautiful. I just heard we got a regen thumb throttle coming, which is insane. That would be so great to save on the brakes. So I know that's coming. I saw that on the Discord, and also can't wait for that screen. That'll be a game changer. Because it will be a side thing. Will it replace that? Will it be a centerpiece? I'm not sure, but I can't wait to find out. If you want to try the sports throttle, it's on. He's been running his bike right here on 80. For some reason, when we tried 90 amps, his BMS on the battery cut him out. We were driving in the street and cut him out, so we cut that option, went back to 80, and it's running smooth for him actually, and it got him more range. That's why he's so happy. He's got way more range.
Damn, bro.
Monster, right?
Crazy.
Monster, right?
So fun.
That's 120 at sport.
My eyes are watering.
It's sport. How, like, you know what I mean?
What is that? How much you're at? 120?
120. Like, you're gonna love 120 for I'm telling you, too much is too much. And that's 420.
Is perfect for the dirt.
It's perfect, bro.
That's so nice. Jesus Christ, I can't wait till my bike goes like that.
All right, guys, just wanted to do a short test on this new tune. Got two beautiful Surrons behind me, and we got that, where we at? We got that sunset right here, looking beautiful. I will do another one as soon as Ian from KO Moto gets in touch with me. As soon as he does, we'll get a custom tune for my Surron, which will probably be amazing. And I can't wait to get my new Chi battery. That's on my mind. I will get that battery. But that's pretty much it, guys. Leave a like, drop a comment, show me some love. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this type of content. That's the only way to let me know I'm doing a good job. And that's the fuel that I need to continue. But that's pretty much wraps it up. I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.